Hey everyone, I'm Ma'am Ning Mendoza of Novaliches High School. I will be your teacher. The first material used in kitchen tools and equipment is the aluminum. Aluminum is the best for all-around use. It is the most popular, lightweight, attractive, and less expensive. It requires care to keep it shiny and clean. Much more, it gives even heat distribution no matter what heat temperature you have. Since it is a soft metal, the lighter gauges will dent and scratch easily, making the utensil unusable. Aluminum turns dark when used with alkalis such as potatoes, beets, carrots, and other vegetables. Acid vegetables like tomatoes will brighten it. Can you give me examples of kitchen tools and equipment that you can see in your house that is made in aluminum? Anyone? Yes? That's right. Grater. Any other answer? Excellent. Pots and pans. What about you? What's your answer? Yes, spoon and fork. By the way, we have two kinds of aluminum, the aluminum sheet and the cast aluminum. The next material is stainless steel. It is the most popular material used for tools and equipment but is more expensive. It is easier to clean and shine and will not wear out as soon as aluminum. Choose those with copper, aluminum, or laminated steel bottoms to spread heat and keep the pot from getting hit dark spots. Stainless steel utensils may be bought in many gauges, from light to heavy. Can you give me examples of kitchen utensils that is made of stainless steel? That's right, a knife. A knife is also made of stainless steel. Any other answer? Yes, spoon and fork. What about you? Pots and pans. Okay, let's proceed to the next material. The next material is the glass. It is good for baking but not practical on top or surface cooking. You need great care to make sure for long shelf life. Can you give me examples of kitchen utensils and tools that is made of glass? Okay, right. The tray. The baking tray is an example of kitchen utensil that is made of glass. Let's proceed to the next material. Cast iron is sturdy but must be kept seasoned to avoid rust. Salad oil with no salt or shortening can be rubbed inside and out and dry. Wash with soap, not detergent, before using. What have you noticed to our example in cast iron? Did you see kitchen tools or equipment that is made of cast iron? Yes, that's right. The one that is used when we are ordering sizzling. Okay, sizzling foods like sizzling sisig, sizzling seafoods. Okay, those are examples of kitchen utensils or tools that is made of cast iron. Now, ceramic and heat-proof glass is used especially for baking dishes, casseroles, and measuring cups. Glass and ceramic conduct the heat slowly and evenly. Many of these baking dishes are decorated and can go from stove or oven to the dining table. Okay, you see in the picture are some of the example of kitchen tools and utensils that is made of ceramic and heat-proof glass. Teflon is a special coating applied to the inside of some aluminum or steel pots and pans. It helps food from not sticking to the pan. It is easier to wash and clean. However, take care not to scratch the Teflon coating with sharp instrument such as knife or fork. Use wooden or plastic spatula to turn or mix food inside. Did you see our example using the Teflon material? Yes, that's right. The pots and pans that is black in color. Okay, they are made of Teflon material. The next one is the plastic and hard rubber. They are used for cutting and chopping boards, tabletops, bowls, trays, garbage pails, and canisters. They are much less dulling to knives than metal and more sanitary than wood. Plastics are greatly durable and cheap but may not last long. The last material is the wood. Wood is porous and it may draw in liquids and oils from the food you're preparing and cooking. Wooden spoons, forks, and spatulas are lightweight and eco-friendly solutions for any kitchen. Since wood naturally gives to some extent, wooden cooking utensils are easier to handle and kinder to the bottom of your favorite pot or pan. Nowadays, wooden utensils are made from durable and strong wood, including beech and bamboo. The best way to eliminate bacteria from the surface of a wooden kitchen tool or utensil is to wash it after cooking with soap and hot water. Can you give an example of kitchen tools and equipment that is made of wood? Yes, the cutting board. What else? The spatula. Yes, the fork. What else? Yes, the rolling pin used in baking. Let's have a recap or review of our lesson for today. Okay, the materials used in kitchen tools are aluminum, stainless steel, glass, cast iron, ceramic and heat-proof glass, Teflon, plastic and hard rubber, and the last one is wood. Thank you for watching and happy learning. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for your lessons in TLE 7. Just search for Ma'am Ning Mendoza. Thank you!